Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Miss Hafsa Shmoon. I am science teacher from Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. I welcome you all in online classes. My dear students, today we are going to start our new lesson, Heat, Light and Sound. And our today's topic is temperature and working of thermometer. To understand the temperature, first of all, we will see what is heat. Heat is a type of energy. Heat energy की एक टाइप है और हीट जो है ये मॉलिक्यूल्स के मूव होने से प्रोड्यूस होती है. As you know that the things made up of different molecules and when molecules move, जब molecules move करते हैं they produce heat. When molecules move faster they have greater heat. जब molecule तेजी से move करेंगे तो उनकी heat energy ज़्यादा होगी and when molecules move slowly, slow move करेंगे they have the lower heat energy. उनकी heat energy कम होगी. In both these pictures, the first picture is showing that the molecules are moving rather slowly than the second one. So, the first picture has lower heat energy than the second one. Second has the greater heat energy because the molecules in the second picture are moving fastly. Now, what is temperature? Dear students, as you know कि हर चीज़ को मेजर करने के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक यूनिट होता है. जिस तरह से अगर हम शुगर को मेजर करते हैं तो वी से दिस शुगर इज़ 1 kg और 2 kg. सिमिलरली हीट को मेजर करने के लिए टेम्परेचर का वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है. हीट इज़ मेजर्ड बाय टेम्परेचर. Temperature really measures how much heat energy an object has. Temperature हमें बताता है कि किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की हीट एनर्जी कितनी है. There are scales for measuring temperature. The Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scales are commonly used to measure the temperature. The Celsius scale was developed by a Swedish scientist whose name was Anders Celsius and he lived about 300 years ago and developed the Celsius scale which we use today. Fahrenheit scale was developed by the scientist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit also lived about 300 years ago. Students, there is a third scale for measuring temperature that is known as Kelvin. So, there are overall 3 scales for measuring temperature: Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scales. Kelvin scale is used for measuring extremely cold and hot temperature. इसको बहुत ज़्यादा cold या hot temperature के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है and it is not used commonly. Most countries around the world including Pakistan use the Celsius scale. पूरी दुनिया में इंक्लूडिंग पाकिस्तान सेल्सियस स्केल को मोस्टली यूज़ किया जाता है टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए. Oh wow, students, can you guess what is this? Yes, this is the thermometer. And you know thermometer is the instrument which is used to measure the temperature. Thermometer. You can see the thermometer. There is written C and F. Can you guess what is C stands for and F? Yes, C stands for the Celsius scale and F for the Fahrenheit scale. If you have thermometer at your home, तो आप वो देख सकते हैं वहां से कि उसके ऊपर भी सेल्सियस डिग्री और फारेनहाइट डिग्री मेंशन होगा. Now we will learn about the boiling and freezing point of water on the both scales, on Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. First of all, on Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 degree and water boils at 100 degree. While on the Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degree and water boils at 212 degree. This is the picture which is showing about the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. 100 degree Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit and 0 degree Celsius equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit. The degrees of Celsius scale are smaller than the Fahrenheit scale. Now we will discuss about the working of thermometer के thermometer कैसे work करता है. Dear students, थर्मोमीटर के अंदर एक लिक्विड होता है जो कि मूव करके ऊपर या नीचे हमें एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट बताता है अबाउट द टेम्परेचर. दिस लिक्विड इज नोन एज द मर्करी. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ थर्मोमीटर एंड यू कैन से द ग्रे लाइन बिटवीन द थर्मोमीटर. दिस इज द लिक्विड इन द थर्मोमीटर which is the mercury. Mercury is the liquid used in the thermometer and it tells about the temperature by moving up and down. If we dip the thermometer in a cold water, then the molecules of the mercury, जो mercury के molecules हैं, mercury is the liquid which is in the thermometer, उसके molecules close हो जाएंगे और close होने के बाद वो जो लिक्विड है थर्मोमीटर के बॉटम की तरफ मूव करेगा. इट कम्स टू द बॉटम ऑफ द थर्मोमीटर एंड टेल्स अबाउट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द वाटर. एज यू कैन सी in the picture that the liquid in the thermometer is going down, and as the temperature of the thermometer increases, जैसे ही इसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेगा तो मॉलिक्यूल्स स्प्रेड हो जाएंगे, फैल जाएंगे और थर्मोमीटर में जो लिक्विड है मर्करी है वो ऊपर की तरफ मूव करेगा एंड टेल्स अबाउट द टेम्परेचर. You can see in this picture that the liquid is moving up to the thermometer. Now it's time for assessment. Match the column. Heat is a type of. What is the answer? Yes, option E. Heat is the type of energy. Instrument for measuring temperature. I think you can guess the answer easily. Yes, instrument used for measuring temperature is the thermometer. Water freezes at Celsius scale. ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हुए आपने सेल्सियस और फारेनहाइट के वर्ड को बहुत केयरफुली अंडरस्टैंड करना है. सेल्सियस स्केल पे वाटर फ्रीजेज एट 0 डिग्री एंड water boils at Celsius scale 100 degree. Water freezes at Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale पे water freeze होता है 32 degree. And water boils at Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale पे water किस point पे boil होता है? Yes, 212 degree. And the liquid in thermometer, very easy answer, mercury. Mercury is the liquid which is used in the thermometer. I hope कि आपने आज का लेसन बहुत इंजॉय किया होगा और अंडरस्टैंड भी किया होगा. Thank you so much and take care yourself.